In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load open.pbix file in Power BI Desktop. If you've ever downloaded a Power BI report or received one from a teammate, it likely came as a PBIX file. That's the native file type for Power BI Desktop, and it contains your data model, queries, and all the visuals in one package. To get started, open Power BI Desktop on your computer. Give it a moment to launch to the home screen. From here, head to the top left corner and choose File. In the menu that appears, select Open Report, then click Browse. This opens your system's File Explorer so you can point Power BI Desktop to the report you want. Navigate to the folder where your .pbix file is stored, click the file to highlight it, and then choose Open. Power BI Desktop will begin loading the report. You may see a progress indicator while it brings in the data model, applies Power Query steps, and renders the report pages and visuals. How long this takes depends on the size and complexity of the file and your computer's resources. Large PBIX files can take a while, so let it finish without closing the app. Once the report opens, you're ready to work. You can explore the report pages, adjust visuals, and inspect fields in the data and model panes. If you want the latest numbers, use the refresh options to rerun your queries and update the data model. You can also redesign visuals, change formatting, or add new measures to refine your analysis. Everything you see, queries, model relationships, and the visuals themselves, lives inside this one file, so the experience is self-contained. A quick note on compatibility. PBIX files are designed for Power BI Desktop, not the Power BI service. That means you can't double-click a .pbix and expect it to open in the browser-based service. Also, if the report was created with a newer version of Power BI Desktop than the one you're using, you might be prompted to update. Installing the latest version ensures the file opens correctly and that newer features work as expected. And that's it. Launch Power BI Desktop, go to File, choose Open Report and Browse. Locate your .pbix and open it. After it loads, you can edit, refresh data, and redesign visuals to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your report.